the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip for Sprint. So the Galaxy Z Flip is not here for Sprint. It's currently available. It's been available since last Friday the 14th. So if you guys are interested in this one, it's currently available for you guys to check out. Sprint only has a mirror black version that's stock currently. There is no stock of the mirror purple version right now. So you will only be able to get the black version from now on Sprint if you guys are interested in this one. It comes in 256 GB storage capacity there. So pretty cool. So this is what the phone looks like. You guys can see the earpiece, front and camera, SIM card slot on the left. Your charging port your charging port is on the bottom of the phone. This is what the phone looks like when it is open. You guys will have access to everything on the phone, front and camera, earpiece. Your volume keys are on the right side of the phone. The power button is also on the right side of the phone. And the power button is also your fingerprint sensor, alright? So they keep that in mind, alright? This is what the phone looks like when it is halfway folded. This is like the flex mode here. SIM card right here on the left. It's kind of hard to see in this picture. Camera just took it there just a bit there, so be mindful of that. Pretty nice design there. And whenever this will be the front on the back when it is open. You guys will have access to a dual camera setup, which is 12 megapixels on both camera lenses, camera flash, and your screen for your navigations, phone calls, and you guys can take selfies with this small screen here as well. So that's pretty nice. So the Galaxy Z Flip is $57.50 a month on Sprint Flex plan line for 18 months. Or it's $13.80 for retail price. Alright. Also, the Galaxy Z Flip is a foldable phone. You always know that. 6.7-inch display, Super AMOLED. You also have an OLED battery life, double camera, and 2.8 GHz octa-core processor with the Snapdragon 855. So it'll have last year's processor in there, so not too bad, you know. So this is front there, pretty nice. The purple one looks very nice, so just the black one. So yeah, it's just the shape that changes the future. The expansive smartphone experience right there. Groundbreaking reportable glass display, high definition camera, and high display hinge to capture your life from every angle. So y'all see the two color variants, mirror purple and mirror black. Fold the future in the palm of your hand, smooth, clear, and utterly seamless. Galaxy Z Flip's folding display is made of groundbreaking. Galaxy Z Flip's folding display is made of groundbreaking ultra thin glass. So this turn up the flex mode here, you guys can see right there, pretty nice. From palm to pocket, sleek design, folds close for pocket portability with compact fold there. Your unique point of view just got more unique. So this is the cameras right there in front of the phone. Transform the way you capture, create and share your world with Galaxy Z Flip's breakthrough camera, provide definition 4K video capture and hands-free selfies. So they're showing up the flex mode here, so you can have the viewfinder on the top screen and have the controls on the bottom, so pretty cool. Watch the night come to life, create stellar create stellar nighttime stills, videos, and hyperlapse shots with a vertically intuitive camera. A one-of-a-kind fun experience. Essentials on top and essentials on tap. Stay in the know with discrete notifications and expand to full screen with a tap. With a flip. So, pretty nice. Do it all at once. Multi-active window gives you the power to navigate, drag and drop, and work across multiple apps. A tailored experience. Elegantly designed to fit your lifestyle and your pocket. Galaxy Z Flip fitted an optimized UX so you can play your best self forward. So this Galaxy Z Flip has a modified version of Android 10 because all the features it has, like the flex mode and the multi-active window mode and stuff like that. I think it has one UI 2.0 I think so. Yeah. So you guys can check out the Galaxy Z Flip and all that. Back to the top we go. Go back. So the specs on the screen now. I don't know when Spam will get the mirrored purple version installed. I'm not sure when I'll do that. So specs here. Let's check them out. So the specs on the Galaxy Z Flip is 36 hours of talk time, 2.8 GHz octa-core processor with a Snapdragon 855 Plus, 6.46 ounces, Android 10. 8 GB of RAM, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of RAM, no microSD card support, 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display that's 2636 by 1080 pixels Super AMOLED. Your dimensions when it's opened is 6.58 inches height, 2.94 inches width, and 0.27 inches depth. When the phone is folded, it is 3.44 inches height, 2.89 inches width, and 0.60 inches depth. You have 3,300 mAh battery, and you have Bluetooth 5.0 and stuff like that on board. What's in the box is the Galaxy Z Flip, of course, SIM card installed, the cover, which is like a case, which is pretty cool. Headset, USB-C cable, charger, terms and conditions, and USB OTG connector as well. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is now here at Sprint. It's currently available in the mirror black version. So do keep it in mind. Really nice phone and stuff like that. The purple version looks very nice in my opinion. This one has some unique features to it, so if you guys are looking to get a affordable phone but don't want to spend $2,000 on, if you guys are looking to get a affordable phone from Samsung but don't want to spend $2,000 on a Galaxy Fold, the Galaxy Z Flip could be for you to check out. So there you guys have it. So the Galaxy Z Flip is $1,380 for retail price or $57.50 a month on the Sprint Flex plan. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are blessed, man, a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.